Hi everyone. Today you will start with new topic that is the Drug Price Control Order 1987. In that you will see about the content, in that historical background, essential commodities acts, relevant provisions, objectives, definitions, drug price display rules 1961 and other relevant orders, applicability to the import drugs and indigenously manufactured drugs, priced to be wholesaler and retailer, MAP, penal provision, and offences and penalties of this act. Last lecture you will discuss about drug magic remedial act. This is a unit 4. Today you will discuss about historical background and essential commodities act relevant provisions. So in that, it is the part of new drug policy announced by central government under the section 3. Now, what are the commodities of this act? First, that is a drug price control order 1970. This order was first passed on 16th May 1970. This order has had a direct control on the profitability of the pharmaceutical business and indirect control on the price of pharmaceutical. It is essential that this order was passed in 16 May 1970. This order had a direct control on the profitability of the pharmaceutical business and indirect control on the price of a pharmaceuticals. Next, Drug Price Control Order 1979. This order was revised on 31 March 1979, in which fix in selling price for control categories of bulk drugs and their formulation were fixed in fixing the prices. The government continued to advocate the profitability selling, and upper limit was put on the return growth or capital employed for pharma companies. In that second commendation, in which the fixed the selling price for control categories of bulk drugs and their formulation were fixed in fixing the prices, the government continued to advocate the profitability selling, and upper limit was put on the return growth or capital employed for pharma companies. Now, drugs were segregated in different categories. In that, 4 categories or MAPE, post manufacturing expense. First category is 40%, second category 50%, third category 100%, fourth category 60%. Then next, that is a third, that is a Drug Price Control Order 1987. This order was promulgated on 26 August 1987. This order categorized in 2 categories. Category first, the number of bulk drug under price control was significantly reduced from 370 to the 142.20. In first category, the number of bulk drug under price control was significantly reduced from 370 to the 142.20. And category second, the bulk drug under price control was significantly reduced from 122. These are it is categories for 2 classes. Categories 2. In first, that will be reduced from 337.70 and to 142.20. And category second, that is a bulk drug under price control, reduced from 122. Categories first, it also be post manufacturing expense. First category 70%, second category 100%. Then next, Drug Price Control Order 1995. This order was passed in 6 January 1995. It was notified by Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer, Department of Chemical and Petrochemical. The basic structure of this order is same as that of earliest two orders. Its first schedule contains 74 bulk drugs, the price of which includes their formulation, are regulated and controlled. Then last and this drug price control order 2013, it is recommended. The government has notified the drug price control order 2013 under the Essential Commodities Act 1955, which will be gives the powers to be NPPP 2012 to regulate price of 348 essential drugs along with their specified strength and doses under NLEM 2011. Now directly goes to the main feature of this drug price control order 2013. This order, the new order will bring 348 drugs and their 652 formulation under price control. It is very essential that main feature of this drug price control order 2013, it gives a new order will be bring to 348 drugs and their 652 formulation under this price control. The new policy use a market-based pricing mechanism against the earlier proposal cost plus method. It is a very important the new policy use a market-based pricing mechanism against their proposed cost plus method. Then third, margin of wholesaler and retailer have been cut down to the 8% and 16% respectively. This is a margin, it will be reduced or cut down at 8% and 16% respectively. Companies selling medication above the government mandate selling rated to the would having the slash price to meet the demand of new rules, but those selling drugs below the selling price would not allow to the raise price. Then firm that launch new medication can sell them at or below government set price caps. Then existing firm will not be allowed to stop production of the drug without permission from the government. And last, drug produce will be permitted an annual increase in the retail price in snacks with the wholesale price index 7. These are the features of drug price control order 2013. Here we will be end of the recommendation of this act. Now here I end this lecture. Next lecture you will see the objective and definition of this act. Today we'll discuss about the historical background, Essential Commodities Act relevant provision in that Drug Price Control Order 1970, in that it will be directly control on profitability of the pharmaceutical business and indirect control on price of pharmaceutical. Then Drug Price Control Order 1979, it will be put the upper limit on the employee for the pharma company or capital growth in pharma company. Here 4 categories 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Drug Price Control Order 1987, it will be give the prices reduction in prices category 1 and category 2 drug. Category 1 370 to 142.20 and in second category was significantly reduced the 122. Then Drug Price Control Order 1995, it will be scheduled contains 74 bulk drugs, the price of which includes their formulation and regulate control. Then Drug Price Control Order 2013, this is the main feature of drug price control order, that is the new order bring 348 drugs and their 652 formulation will be under price control. The new policy will be marketed based pricing mechanism against their earlier proposal cost plus method, and it will be margin reduced 8% to 16%, and the firm launched new medicine can be sell them at or below government set price. Then existing firm will be not allowed to stop production of a new drug or drug without permission from the government, and drug produce will be permitted an annual increase in the retail price or snacks to be wholesale price in index 7. So here you will be end this today's lecture. Next lecture you will see the objective and definition. Thank you.